Good day! In this video, we are going to try and do question 2A of the new standard called Demonstrate Mathematical Reasoning, paper title 91947 or 1.4. This is an exemplar. This is not the real external. The real external will appear on the 9th or 8th of November. So without further ado, let's do question 2A. Question 2A is an achieved question. It's drawing a graph. So if you have a graphic calculator, it's a lot easier. But if you don't have one, don't worry. We shall do the manual way today. Okay. So they say sketch the graph of y equals to 3x. To do that, we have to plot a table of x and y. So we know that y equals to 3x. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the value of x is minus 2 to 2 because the graph has minus 2 to 2. So we don't need to go any more than 2 and less than minus 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute the value of x equal to all this number into this equation. We're going to do the positive numbers first because it's easier. So if x equals to 0, y equal to 3 power 0 is going to be 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to 3 power 1 is 3. And the next one, and x equal to 2, y equal to 3 squared is equal to 9. That's not too difficult, right? If it is minus 1, okay, you put your calculator, y equal to 3 power minus 1 is going to be 0.33 or 1/3, okay? And if x is minus 2, it's going to be 0.11, or if you put your calculator, it's going to be 1/9, okay? Because 3 minus 2 is 1/3 squared. So that's the answer. So now we have the value of x and y. What we're going to do, we're going to plot them on the graph provided. So very simple, 0 is going to be 1. So 0, 1 is here. Please know the first number is your x and the second number is your y. So 0, 1 is there. When x equal to 1, y equal to 3. So 1 here is going to be 3. 2 is going to be 9. And then we are going to just plot this point on the graph and we're going to plot them together. When it is minus 1, it's 1/3. So 1/3 is around somewhere around here, I reckon, okay? And then when it is minus 2, it's going to be negative, when it goes 0.111. So it's going to be just above the 0 line, okay? So remember, this is called the asymptote, or the x-axis is called the asymptote because that graph will never cut the x-axis. So to be careful, you make sure you draw correctly. So I'm not in a proper position now, so hopefully you draw. Do not draw double lines. So make sure I'm going to draw as smooth as possible. So I'm going to join the point. Okay, I'm going to join the point so it looks like this. Okay, so hopefully it looks good. Okay, not too bad. Okay, so that is the graph y equal to 3 power x, and that is an achieved in this paper. Make sure you don't draw double line, okay? And make sure you do it in pen because the pencil is not acceptable in NCEA. Also, green and red pen are not acceptable in NCEA external. Hope you watch the next video, which is the merit question, question 2B. Cheers.